ask me, sir, what are our chances, or can I make it? Some of you have self-doubts. आपको क्या लगता है मैं कर सकता हूँ कि नहीं? See, I start with, look, aptitude is something you have or you can acquire. Passion is where probably we are found wanting on. Passion, that drive, passion, that commitment, passion, the kind of indulgence in your work, passion, you work with an attitude of never say die. ये पैशन को आप करो कल्टीवेट, और पैशन अगर रहेगा ना, एप्टीट्यूड भी आप धीरे धीरे एक्वायर कर लोगे. He gives an example that his brother, this man called Ken Robinson. His brother is again a musician, a very famous one. He works as a drummer also in some of those bands. He says, I was always inspired by my brother playing all the instruments, and he is talented. Aptitude hai. He would play drums and keyboards and string, guitar. He went up to his brother and told him, okay, I love what you do, and I would like to do this also. His brother said, no, you don't love what I do. You love the idea of thinking that you want to do what I want to do. Because if you really love to do what I'm doing, then you wouldn't be talking to me here, you would be playing the drums in your room. And that's a very big insight. We love that idea that we want to become civil servant. We love that idea that we want to be administrator. But are you willing to go through the process of qualifying? Will decide whether you actually want to do it or it's a fantasy. And that's why he says the aptitude along with passion matters. So motivation की बात कर रहे थे ना हम लोग. Passion is something that will come from within. Ask yourself your vision, and this is not something that we have done in our lives, but this is what works beyond a certain level of achievement. If you really want to hit it at that level, and service is among the best that we have, you have to start thinking in a different way, something you have not done till now. So that drive, that passion, work like, it is like you are made and built for that. With that type of drive, I'm sure all frustrations, all fears, we can manage it. One of you this morning sent an SMS to me. Sir, I've learned a lot from you, something else, and he says that is life the same for everybody? Or is it different for some and different for others? Every person is unique, but every person is unique. Every experience is unique. What is same about life is it challenges everybody. ऐसा कोई नहीं है, not even the most gifted, not even the most successful, not even those born into conditions of fortune, that life has been fair with them. एक स्पीच है बिल गेट्स का, क्लास 10th 11th को एड्रेस कर रहे थे कोई स्कूल में. उनका पहला वाला सेंटेंस यही है, लाइफ इज नॉट फेयर एक्सेप्टेड. आप अगर फेयरनेस ढूंढोगे, nobody has had a life which has been fair. Think of Steve Jobs, and that's a man who keeps sounding in my memory. A man, he died such a helpless man, and he writes, the most costly bed you can ever have is the ICU medical bed. तो वो मोमेंट में एक ही चीज मन में आता है, that wish I could live a few days longer or a few weeks longer. So life throws challenge to everybody. अब देखो, after all these years, the greatest of cricketers का list में number 1 होगा शायद MS Dhoni. His captaincy success. But look at the discussions today that we have. They're talking about removing him, not good enough. Virat Kohli plays such brilliant cricket. In many ways, he probably must surpass Tendulkar himself also. But वो big face था ना बीच में, when they said that he is no longer there. The point is, even people with immense talent face challenges, face self-doubts, and face severe criticism. The world in many ways is unforgiving. If you ask me, is life same for everybody? No. Every man is unique, but life throws challenge to everybody. So आपके लिए शायद this is the challenge that you have for yourself. So nothing to be, nothing to lose heart about. Keep working. कैसे होगा, नहीं होगा success. Most of us you'll be surprised how life ultimately shapes up for you. Having said this, again a small conversation we're having. Very wise thing one of my friends said. The greatest gift you can give your children, the greatest gift you can give to the people who you love is that sense of assurance that you will be there for them even for their biggest mistakes. The biggest gift you can give to a child is कि कुछ भी हो जाए, okay, पापा मम्मा तुम्हारे साथ रहेंगे, डांट सकते हैं, okay, they're probably upset with you, but they will not leave your hand. I hope I can stand by you, okay, in the moments that you need us. I hope our team, okay, can deliver to some of expectations. You are free to come and ask us your doubts. Feel free to interact with us. And I repeat, there is no shame in failing the examination. आपका prelims नहीं हुआ, आपका mains नहीं हुआ, interview में marks नहीं आ रहे हैं. The exam is not a test of your character. It's a competition. और competitions में some will win, some will lose. Keep this in mind. It will help you reduce the pressure to perform. Okay. तो कोई शर्मिंदगी की बात नहीं है कि सर एग्जाम क्लियर नहीं हुआ. With what credibility should I meet you? No, absolutely not. So, don't meet us, talk to us. And there are many things I could have taught. Okay. But focus on what I have taught, rather what we have taught. और तो नहीं पढ़ाया छोड़ देना. ठीक है? So, all the best to all of you. God bless you guys. Good luck. And we will meet in better circumstances. Okay, when I see your name on the list, even otherwise, okay, I'm sure we will meet again. Okay? So good luck to all of you, and thank you for being patient in this process. It was a pleasure. Okay, and I said many things. हर साल कुछ ना कुछ batches में add होता रहता है. So in this batch also, I learned a lot, and thanks for that opportunity. Right? छोटा मोटा जानवर पूछोगे तो हम ये सुनाएगा. शेर का ओटा शिव सर has done it. The worst thing about a sher can be that you have to explain the sher after it is said. So आपको थोड़ा सा और पढ़ना पड़ेगा when you can start talking about शायरी. अभी आप मेड सिंपल पार्ट 1 ठीक है? चलो all the best all of you. एक मिनट सर बच्चा सुना. Yes, tomorrow you must come to the class. I won't teach it and I will finish it off, please. ठीक है? For those who can come, you come. Others, you take the notes or whatever you can manage. I'll finish off the portion that you